Whole home surge protection is a must moving forward. Every year, there's a numerous amount of lightning strikes. Along with the tornadoes, the lightning strikes come. Those lightning strikes cause a surge to go into your panel if your home's hit, or nearby ground outside, a tree, things of that nature get hit. It can run a surge up through the panel. And what happens is it sends a surge of electricity to your refrigerator or to your computer or to a TV and instantaneously will burn that board. The surge protector is going to be that interrupter. It captures that surge and prevents it from going forward to hit the devices. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're going to come to your panel, and we're going to mount the surge protection in it or nearby it. We're going to run into the panel. We're going to install a 50 amp breaker to control it off of. So basically that's going to run everything to here and protect everything that's in here. So anything inside the panel, which is in your house, is going to be protected. It has indicator lights on it. Those indicator lights are going to tell you if it's working, if it's been utilized, if it's in good condition, or if it needs to be removed and exchanged out. In 2020, the NEC required all new construction, residential, have whole home surge protection. Now, what that means to you as a homeowner, if your home was built prior to 2020, it's not required. But if the NEC sees that it's important enough to apply it to new home construction, it may be something you want to consider.